10 ways to pamper yourself during your period. We need to take extra care of ourselves during these rough days of the month. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. There are things you must do during your period. What and how? 1. Get enough sleep. During period, we are more exhausted mentally and physically, so getting enough sleep is a must. 2. Treat your bad mood with some good food. The best friend of period is mood swings, so during this time, eat foods that you like. 3. A date with yourself. Watch movies, anime series, dramas, or any type of shows that you like. 4. Get some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is my best friend during my period. It contains the right amount of sugar and cocoa that is good for our mood. 5. Become an artist. Well, not necessarily, just do whatever you like during this time. Sing your heart out, paint your imagination, draw your emotion, and dance like there is no tomorrow. 6. Wear the most comfortable clothes. This is the time to relax, and wearing comfortable clothes is the key to relaxation. 7. Gossip and gossip. During period, we are mentally unstable to think properly. That's why we tend to overthink everything. So gossiping about your day or your life with your friends, family, or your partner will boost your oxytocin level to make you feel better. 8. Eat your vitamins. Well, you need to remember that whatever you do, you need to eat your veggies and fruits during your menstrual cycle. And don't forget to drink enough water to stay hydrated. 9. Drink natural tea. Ginger tea, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, cinnamon tea will help you to reduce your period cramps. Just avoid taking so much caffeine during these times. 10. Shower and walk. Take a warm shower to make yourself feel better. You can go on a short walk to avoid thinking too much. So what are you waiting for? From now on, treat yourself better. I hope you guys liked the video. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Tada!